So once you take the projection from the first stage top view, then find out the intersections. And just connect these points. So this is the second stage top view. So you can observe the difference between first stage top view and the second stage top view. Okay. So second stage top view, it is having the reduced length compared to the first stage. Now in the last stage, so second stage, it represents the inclination with the HP only. In the last stage, we need to rotate the top view so that the edge in the HP, it will become inclined with the XY line or with the vertical plane by the given inclination, that is a 40 degree. Okay. So draw one line with the XY line by 40 degree. So just draw a reference line. On this reference line, mark this length. Okay. So this is equal to 30 mm. So it is the same length. So you can take a suitable distance. Now take this distance in compass, distance between these two lines. Okay. So before that, draw the perpendicular lines from these endpoints of this line. So basically, we want to draw this complete view on this line. Okay. So from these endpoints, just draw the perpendicular lines. Then take this distance in your compass. So right now, this is exactly 45. So from this point at 45 mm, draw this parallel line. Then similarly, take this point. So first draw a center line. And on this line, from this point, just mark this distance. So that distance, you can use the compass or you can measure this. So this is 15 mm. Okay, so in this way, complete this view as it is, only with inclination 40 degree. Now to complete the final stage front view, just take the projector from the top view. Okay, so in this way, take the projector in the front view and take the projections from the second stage front view. Like this, okay? And then find out the intersection points. So to find out the intersection points, just observe the projector from the top view and observe the projector from the second stage front view, okay? So if you want to locate A dash, so this is the projector from point A and this is the corresponding projector from A dash. So this intersection will be A dash in the final stage. Similarly for F, so this is the projector from F and this is from the F dash. So this is the F dash point. So you can connect these points. So first connect A to B. So this is A and this is B point. Then B to C, C to D, then D to E, E to F, and F to A point. Okay. So this is final projection. So this is your final front view. So in this way, you can complete the projection when the given plane is inclined to HP and VP. So take this problem as a homework. So this is given for the pentagonal plane, which is resting on the HP. So pentagonal plane of side 30 mm is resting on the HP. On one of its corner, such that the plane is inclined to the HP by 40 degree. So this is inclination with the horizontal plane. Draw the projection when the edge opposite to the corner in the HP is inclined to VP by 30 degree. So you can divide this problem in a 3 stage. So in the first stage, so suppose this is your XY line. Then as the plane, that is the pentagonal plane, is resting on one of its corner. So if this is the condition, then you should draw the plane like this in the first stage. So this is the corner point. So draw the pentagon like this. Okay. Suppose this is A. And if the pentagon is resting on the edge, then we should draw like this. Okay. So this is the first stage as it is resting on the corner. So if you draw the front view, you can take the projections. So front view will be just a line. In the second stage, incline this front view with the given angle that is equal to 40 degree. So draw one reference line at 40 degree. On this line, so this is your A dash point and this is C dash and D dash. And somewhere here you will get this B dash and E dash. Okay. So by using compass, you can transfer the point A dash C dash directly. So this is front view in the second stage, which is inclined by 40 degree. Now draw the projector on the top view. Take the horizontal projector from the first stage top view. Okay, find out the intersection points. So in this way, you can complete the second stage top view where the plane is inclined to HP by 40 degree. In the last stage, observe the inclination. Draw the projection when edge opposite to the corner, which is in the HP. So that means corner A, it is in the HP. The opposite edge, that means edge CD. Okay, that edge is inclined to VP by 30 degree. So that means we need to rotate this top view in this direction so that this edge, it will become inclined with the vertical plane by 30 degree. So draw one reference line at 30 degree, and on this reference line, draw this edge, that is edge CD. So this is C and this is D point, and then complete this top view as it is. Okay, so you can draw two perpendicular lines as a reference. Okay, then take this distance from C point to this point. Okay, and draw that line and just transfer the points. And then take the projector in the front view. Take the projections from the second stage front view and find out the intersection and complete this final front view. Okay, so try to complete this problem.